Hey there, Rajnikant this side once again. Today's topic is about buyers, knowing about your buyers. So I will try to explain slowly so that each and every point that I want to convey to you must be clear and yes, clear. So let's begin. This concept is from the book Psychology of Selling. So in this book, the writer tells about five type of buyers. They are, the first type of buyer is apathetic buyer. Apathetic buyer. What this type of buyers is, no matter whatever you try to sell them, no matter no matter what value you deliver to them, they will deny it. Even you are selling them $100 product just for $5 or less, they will deny. They simply deny. So these are called apathetic buyers. The second type of buyer is just opposite to them, and they are self-actualizing buyers. He calls them self-actualizing buyers. They are just opposite to the apathetic buyer. He knows what he wants. You go and offer your product to them, and if it suits to them, they will instantly buy without any reasoning and whatever. So let's move ahead to the third type of buyer, and the third type of buyer is analytical buyer. Okay, so as the name suggests, they analyze each and every part of your product. No matter what you offer, they will analyze each and every part of your offer, and they will try to get maximum possible value out of their money, the money that they are going to pay to you for your product. So they will try to analyze each and every part of your product. Okay, so how to deal with them? Avoid generalization and try to be as specific and clear as you can. Okay, these buyers includes professionals like accountants, engineers, doctors, and something like that. Okay, so let's move ahead to our next type of buyer, which is the relator buyer. The relator buyer, again, as name suggests, they first you need to build a strong relationship with them. Unless you build such a relationship, they will deny, they will avoid to buy. Okay, and because they want a different level of trust with you before making any buying decision. Why? Because because uh, the most important thing that matters in their life is what other people think about them, about their purchase, about their product. So how to deal with them? Very simple. Build a strong relationship and trust, and they will buy. After that, they will buy. You need to be patient till then. So let's come to the fifth and final type of buyers, and they are driver buyers. They are somehow controller of something. Okay, that's why they are called driver buyers, because they are driving something, their organization or whatever you say. Maybe they are company owners and such things. So they are driver buyers. They are ready to buy, just they are concerned about the thing is results. They want results. They don't want blah blah things that mm, you are offering. Okay, so they just want results, and they will buy instantly. Okay, so how to deal with them? Just come to the point, avoid generalization, and come straight to the point and offer them your product. So these are five types of buyers. I hope you got some insights from this video. Thank you so much for watching.